At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for a dental practice involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Research and planning. Understand the legal and regulatory requirements for dental practices in your state or country. Each jurisdiction may have specific rules regarding licensing, certifications, and ownership structures. Decide on a business name for your LLC. Ensure it's unique and complies with state regulations. 2. Choose a registered agent. An LLC requires a registered agent, which is a person or entity designated to receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the LLC. This can be yourself, another member of the LLC, or a registered agent service. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the appropriate state authority. This typically involves submitting a form and paying a filing fee. The form will require basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, registered agent, and purpose. 4. Create an operating agreement. While not always legally required, an operating agreement is highly recommended for LLCs. This document outlines the ownership and management structure of the LLC, as well as the rights and responsibilities of its members. Include provisions related to the operation of the dental practice, such as decision-making processes, profit distribution, and procedures for adding or removing members. 5. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Ensure that you and any other dentists involved in the practice are licensed to practice dentistry in your state or country. Obtain any additional permits or licenses required to operate a dental practice, such as a business license or health department permit. 6. Register for taxes. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. This is a unique identifier for your LLC, similar to a social security number for individuals. Determine what taxes your LLC will be subject to and register with the appropriate taxing authorities. This may include federal, state, and local taxes. 7. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate by opening a business bank account for your LLC. This will make accounting and tax filing much easier. 8. Consider business insurance. Protect your dental practice and personal assets by obtaining appropriate business insurance, such as malpractice insurance and general liability insurance. 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. Stay compliant with all ongoing requirements for LLCs in your jurisdiction. This may include filing annual reports, paying taxes, and maintaining proper records.
10 consult professionals.
Consider consulting with a lawyer and accountant who have experience working with dental practices and LLCs. They can provide valuable advice tailored to your specific situation and ensure that you're meeting all legal and financial obligations. Remember that the specifics of setting up an LLC for a dental practice can vary depending on your location and individual circumstances. It's important to thoroughly research the requirements and seek professional guidance to ensure compliance with all regulations. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.